power on. goDiscover road signs.
If traffic was allowed to move on its own, it can get very chaotic. This is why road signs are designed to keep everyone safe on the roads. Each color indicates a different action or purpose. This sign shows that there is a first aid facility nearby, which is very useful in case of emergency or accidents. In Slovakia, this sign has a dark blue background color, and an illustration of Caduceus is displayed inside it.
Circular road signs give orders. Yellow road signs stand for slowing down, driving with caution, or a general warning. Circular road signs give orders.
Pay attention to the round yellow warning sign.
goDiscover human body.
We are the humans, and everything that together makes our body is what we are learning here.
5 senses. Sense of sight,
Sense of hearing.
endocrine system,
Our body produces its own chemicals and uses them to control certain functions. And the main system that coordinates these chemicals is called the endocrine system.
What is the process of respiration?
How do you make a skeleton laugh?
tickle her funny bone,
What is the name of the power cord that runs all day long and never has to be plugged in?
spinal cord. goDiscover musical instruments.
Sitar. Sitars are plucked, stringed musical instruments originated in the Middle East.
Harmonium. A harmonium is a keyboard instrument similar to an organ.
Harmonium is mostly used in music of India, Pakistan, Nepal and Afghanistan. Harmoniums are constructed with hard woods such as teak or mahogany, which give them a very resonant sound.
Pandit R.K. Bijapuri, Richard Wright, Ustad Allah Bakhsh Khan and Pandit Manohar Chimote are some of the famous harmonium players.
goDiscover continents and oceans. Earth, the planet that we all live in, is made of land and water. All the water on Earth is divided into 5 oceans, and all the land is split into 7 pieces, where each piece is a continent.
Asia.
Yes, Asia is the home of the 14 highest mountain peaks in the world.
Asia.
Added to all the natural wonders of this huge continent are its animals. Reticulated pythons, tiger, panda, yaks, Indian rhinoceros.
Asia. The man-made architectural wonders in Asia are Great Wall of China, in China of course, Taj Mahal in India, Hagia Sophia in Turkey, Petra in Jordan, Potala Palace in Tibet, China,